Good morning, dear children. Welcome in Moral Science class. In the words of great essayist Francis Bacon, reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. It means that reading makes a person very knowledgeable man in different fields. So today's our topic is reading. Children, are you fond of reading books besides your course books? I am very fond of reading books. I like to read books in my leisure time. Do you know that reading is also an art? We should read such books from which we get ideas and facts. We should not waste our time in reading useless or senseless things. We should have good sources of information. We should read with understanding. Some people are interested in reading fictions and storybooks. They read for pleasure to find beauty and adventure. Some other people like to read poetry, history, and religious books. And this sort of pleasure is healthy. Besides this, some people are very serious readers. They make notes of the important passages that can be used to refer when it is required. It is said that a perfect knowledge of a few writers and a few subjects is more valuable than superficial one. We should search good books as we search for good friends. It is said that good books are the best friends. We should give attention to work of great writers and try to understand it. Dear children, one more important thing is that reading should be done in a calm or silent atmosphere without any disturbances or distractions. So, a true, sincere reading requires peaceful time. Sometimes I like to read my favorite books that give me as much pleasure as a melodious song. The art of reading relates to better understanding of life. In modern time, a great revolution has taken place. Yes, there is an advancement in reading through audio video techniques. The great works of great authors are available in audio video form on internet also. We can also read e-books on internet and store hundreds of books in computer or mobile.